Good morning. I'm going to explain how to use the Quick Stores app. So open the Quick Stores app. So type your mobile number, whatever you are using for your business. So you will be receiving a notification, OTP. So type the OTP and verify it. So you have to mention all your store details. So whatever store details you have, you can put. So for example, I am dealing artificial jewelry, so I'll put my store name as Lakshmi Jewelries. So if you have a photo of your store, you can put, or you can put any other product photo. So by that it looks that you are dealing this particular product. So you can mention here what are the categories you deal. For example, if you deal jewelry, put jewelry also. If you don't deal clothing, don't put clothing. Or if you want to add clothing, footwear, jewelry, fashion accessories, whatever you want, you can add. So whatever you deal, basically you can add. So basically I deal jewelry and clothing, so I will be mentioning clothing and jewelry. So if you have your GST number, you can. Otherwise, if you don't have your GST number, no problem, you leave blank. So then go to your WhatsApp number. Here mention your WhatsApp number where you are using for business purpose. For example, it is a WhatsApp business number. For example, I am using my WhatsApp business number is 999-433-979. If you have the same registered number as a WhatsApp number, you can mention, no issues. So city, my city is Bangalore, so I put Bangalore as my city. And business email, I put yes, this is my mail ID I have mentioned here. So I will give done. So I will go, the app will redirect to the main page, and this is the page. It will act as a home page. So what you have to do is, now you can see there is no catalogs added and no products also added. So what we have to do is click on this plus symbol. So add a catalog name. For example, antique jewelry is my catalog name. Antique jewelry. So I'll select jewelry as a category, and supplier or manufacturer name. See, sometimes you receive this product from some of your suppliers, so you can mention your supplier name or manufacturer name or where the product is coming from. For example, I am receiving this product from Lalita Jaipur. So this is for my reference. So if you put this detail, it will not showcase to others, so it will be in your catalog list only. So you can aramse put your supplier name, so it will be very confidential, it will be known only to you. And you can, if you want to add to image for your catalog, you can add. For example, I deal jewelry, so I added a catalog image. I have given done. So now my catalog is ready. So antique jewelry is my catalog, Lalita Jaipur is my supplier, and this is the date created. So now I will tell you how to add the products. So once this catalog is ready, click on this catalog. So there is a page where there is no products. You can see there is no products in this page because you didn't add the products yet. So now you want to add the products by click this plus symbol. You will take to a redirect to a page called what kind of product you want. If it is a single product or a multiple product, what you want to basically add. If you want to add a single product, you can add. I will show how it will help you to add. If you click on a single product, it will take to this page and add the product. Especially click on the upload image area. So you will redirect, you will take this to your gallery. So I am adding one product. So I will give this name as necklace set, and the price is 1500. So done. See, now the product is added in your antique jewelry catalog. So go to this catalog back. See, now this catalog has one product which you have added. This catalog has one product. Now I will explain you how to add multiple product. So click on the same add button, plus button. So it will show multiple product, single product, cancel. So select multiple product. I am selecting multiple product. First, you see here in this page you can able to add 15 images. So all the images will be considered as a single product. So you can give a unique name. I will give a unique name, necklace or earrings, because I am going to add necklace and earrings mixed photos. So price I will mention here 1000 rupees. So I will choose from gallery. I can able to add 15 photos. All 15 photos I can able to add at one time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So all these categories are necklace. So what I will do is my products are getting uploaded. See, you can see here all the products added with the common name necklace and earrings. Okay. So I have mentioned the price 1000 rupees. If you want to edit the price, no issues. See, you can select the particular. See, this price is around 1500. So I can click on this here. If I want to delete necklace, I can do. If I want to reduce the price or increase the price, I can do here 1500. Rest, if you feel rest others are mixed combination, prices are same, there is no issues. So if you want to edit, like here it's 750 something, you can edit 750. Yeah. So all 15 images updated and all 15 images considered as 15 products. Now you are given name also, a common name, or if you want to edit the name also, you can edit. So here I will put necklace green. So whatever you want to put, you can put, no issues. So once you done the changes after upload all this all the images, now you can save the products. Yes, all your products saved under the antique jewelry catalog. So see, now you can see all the products with the product ID. See, for example, this product is 193 is the ID, 192, 190, 198, 186. So all these products got uploaded in the catalog. Now I will tell you how to share this catalog to your customers. You have created the catalog, you have created the products under the catalog, all the products are ready now. So now how I will tell you how to share this product or catalog to your customers. When I click on this share button, automatically the WhatsApp symbol will open. So I am selecting WhatsApp. So I am taking my customer 1 2 3 4 5. So I can select 5 customers, or I can put in my status also. Or if I want to send to a particular customer, I can share to my customer as a link. So now customer receives this link. So once you click on this link, the customer clicks on this link, it will redirect to the web page where my store name is coming and the details are coming, and whatever the products I have added, they can able to see through web view. The customer don't require to download the app. So this is the web view of your products. So your customer can see all the products what you have added in the particular catalog. They can able to see. Now some customers liked your product. For example, they have liked this matte finishing this product. if the customer click on this buy button, automatically the message will comes to you, because you are the catalog owner. You will receive the message like this. So once you receive this message, so you can click the link and see the particular product this customer is interested. So this connected with your WhatsApp only. So once you get this link, see this link, so once you click on this link, so you can see that this customer is interested to buy this product. So in this way you can maintain your product and catalog list. So same way, if your customers want to see the other products, okay, so they can click on the link. If they want to see the other catalogs, so they can go to the catalogs and they can see what the catalogs you have. If you had more than 5-6 catalogs, that will be visible here, and they can see catalog wise products of your store. This is completely acts as a store for your retail store, or maybe you are dealing online. So this is acts as a store, so people can come to this store anytime by clicking your link and they can see the products what you have. I'm going to explain one more feature in this app. When somebody, your wholesaler or anybody shared the catalog or the store details, you can click on that link. You can see the product of your wholesaler or your resellers. You can go to the catalog. See, all the catalogs are here. So if you want to copy the catalog of your wholesaler, so it is very easy. See, for example, this bead is the catalog. I am going to copy and I am typing my registered mobile number and giving submit. So automatically this copied catalog will transfer to my home page of my application. So I will take you to the home page of my application and I will show where the, see, now the bead is copied here. I can able to see all the products of the bead of my wholesaler, and also if I want I can edit the product also, price, whatever I want I can edit here, whatever I want I can edit here. So this is the another advantage with this mobile application.